Kaso, tinubad na kami ni Ivan. Sabi namin mag-snorkeling na lang kami kasi pwede naman. So, ayun na yung ginawa namin. Then, ito yung nakita namin.
Kaya siya nag-come island na better.
Last island sa Palawan, guys. Tomorrow kasi is city tour na. Happy birthday to you.
It doesn't sound like happy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi everyone! Day 4, last day na namin sa Palawan. So, last vlog na to ng Palawan trip namin. Ito yung morning ng last day namin. Bale sa Android ko to sinut kasi lobat yung iPhone ko. Ito yung view sa likod ng inn or hotel na pinag-stayan namin.
Sunod ako sa Cavite ng nakakayak.
Hi! So, tuloy na kami sa for city tour.
Hi guys! Nandito na ulit kami sa Puerto Princesa. Magla-lunch lang kami sa... Hindi na McDo. Jollibee naman. Jollibee naman kami magla-lunch. Saya!
Goldies.
Gutom na ako guys. Sobrang gutom. Kaya ako na kayo kausapin after ko kumain kasi nagugutom talaga ako guys. Guys, first up ng city tour.
Si Mami gusto yung butter pet.
Ako kaya ang gusto. Kita ba ako, Jaxel? Kita ako.
Naihi ka na. Pag hindi ka umiinom yung araw na to.
Teka. Ayaw. First up, butterfly garden. Ay, dulo pa lang ko ron. Mami, 5.
Ganda.
Teka, sukuli excited.
Tagaw. Ano?
Okay, hindi ako.
Ano to, peacock? Ay, peacock nga yun.
Pigak na maliit.
Asan ang peacock na maliit? Peacock, guys.
And the colorful one or the blue one is the male called peacock. The brown one is the female called peahen. Their child is called pichi. In
Peachy?
local terms, we call them tandikan.
Saan si Peachy?
They're also considered as endemic, meaning in the whole world, dito lang na sila matatagpuan sa Palawan. So you can go inside boat to take your welcome picture.
Tawid po ng kalsada sa signage po ng Tribal Village, pasok po kayo doon. Dito rin po yung balik niyo sa garden.
To tribal.
Diretso po muna tayo.
Tingnan nyo guys.
Yes po yung balik niyo po dito rin po sa garden mamaya.
Diretso.
Kanyo crocodile ang putik.
May unggoy yun. Uy!
Salamin lang yan. You are welcome to Palawan Village.
On the green brown shirt, is the iba na. Iba na ito sa dyeing alphabet ng Palawan shirts natin. So ito sa dyeing na, dahil sa mainland po ng Palawan, we only know 4% po know how to read that one. That's why it's considered as a dyeing alphabet. For English, that's why it's considered po as a dyeing alphabet. Okay, there, kompleto na po tayo. Good afternoon, everybody. And welcome to the second part of your tour, Tribal Village. So we will having po, ma'am sir, a 10 to 15 minutes cultural sharing with them. And I will be your interpreter since our Palawan tribe has their own dialect in called Palawan. So in the mainland of Palawan, ma'am sir, we have here three major tribes. First here po, meron tayong Tagbanwa. Second, meron tayong Batak. And then the third one is them. They are the Palawan tribe. So if you are familiar with the Tawag Man or Caveman, they are also a cave, their temporary home or shelter. It's away from the mountain. So ang iba po sa kanila, stay here lang for a couple of days, weeks, or month. And after po nun, bumabalik sila ulit sa tirahan nila sa mountain. So ma'am sir, this is a livelihood program since we noticed na rin ang tribe culture are slowly disappearing because of what we call life modernization. But through this livelihood program po, we're able to continue to encourage them to continue practice their rich cultures and tradition. Pabiliwad akong pagpig, the new one po and pass to the others. That one is called pagpig. Galing po yan siya sa dagta ng almasika tree, sa sap of the almasika tree. So ma'am sir, that pagpig po is here in the city. That is the main ingredients po in making our nail polish, the varnish, fiberglass paints, and another related product. Pintura po, main ingredients. Okay, so this is an adult who they can carry 30 up to 50 kilos of pagpig. Akit mapapo yan siya ng ito.
Ang dami sila.
So this is bukas na for heavy, no worries, ma'am sir. Aside wait, so yun na sa dingding, ma'am sir. This is the real bucket for with the bagtig that waving up and down in the mountain. Yan po ay nasa range ng 50 kilos. Ganun po siya kabigat. And Palawan tribes, ma'am sir, are also a music lover. That's why po they have their own musical instrument. The first instrument is called gimbal. So ang gimbal, gawa siya sa haluan ng kanilang inukit, which they carve, and on top we discover with the animal skin. This is a cow skin, balat po siya ng baka. So ngayon po, they're going to play the three set. It's called basal or basal. Their own two-strings guitar. So ngayon po, we're going to play the music, the particular music called
For
Blondet.
the modern
Ibig sabihin
guitar
po
daw.
ng
Ito daw
birds.
yung guitar nila. 2 strings lang.
Sa gitara. Yun o.
Okay, magsukot. Okay, just the sounds. By the use of their mouth po, they can create an amazing sounds. So everybody, let's hear the sounds of Aruding. Aruding, come on. Okay, so that is their Aruding. Amazing. Saxophone. So sa mountain po, they use the two type of spear. This is a ligid and this is the surayang. This surayang, ma'am sir, they use this one for trapping, while the use of that ligid for follow up glued naman siya. And back in the mountain, ma'am sir, whenever they hunt for the bird and squirrel, they also use something to call or imitate the target. Ang tawag ay tampios. Okay, so sounds like bird and squirrel. So now, ma'am, so if the target was visible, that's the time they prepare their blowgun or the blowgun. Ang mga Palawan tribes natin, they don't use bow and arrow. So everybody, ma'am, sir, let's watch them looking to the target, the drawing for. Okay, so
Sa ulo, pare-parehas.
let's try to look the big animals in the mountain. Of course, we, ma'am sir, we naglalagay sila ng lasso. They put poison, ma'am sir, and at the tip of their dart. This is the main ingredients actually in making that poison. Ang tawag po ay dita. So they just collect the sap o yung dagtan yan and mix it with the other plants. So the first material, they have this a flint stone, and they also have a native cotton of the Palawan tribes. And this is the native cotton of them. And they also have a piece of metals. Ang metals, they call it balan. Just three materials, ma'am sir, in creating fire. Saan ba ito naman?
Dati, masubukan natin. Ang bakot.
Kaya magdukat. Okay, ma'am sir, the process for making fire in the mountain, they called it santikan. Santikan means friction. Yung anak ko nila, like, their children, 9-year-old and above, start na rin po nila tinitrain kung paano gumawa ng apoy. Para na rin po na kanilang survival. So, you see a lot of spark earlier, ma'am sir, yung purpose ng cotton para mag-catch ng spark. When the smoke is visible, ilalagay sa may dry leaves. And yeah, just blow it harder until the fire will come out. Okay, so now you see the lot of smoke, and a few seconds we have a fire.
Aralin na ni Kob yan. 14 ka na, Kob eh.
Tinda ko na. That one is called sahing or salong. Yes po, he just starting on fire.
Oh my God.
One foot at the tolerance, it is
Pinatay
depends on
niya
how they
to
use it po.
using-
They believe then the smoke of that can drive siya ng mga bad spirits, bad luck, and also can cure siya ng mga stomachache and then the headache. So, hindi lang po siya basta-basta ilaw. This is also a gamot po siya. It's a ubat. Gamot po siya sa mga sakit. So, we will go around, ma'am, sir, and try to smell the smoke po. Stand po kami sa likod. Try to smell the smoke of this torch po. Inside of this torch, ma'am, sir, is a sample. Nagtapo siya.
Flower, no? Oh, may flower siya. Siya amoy sunog.
Para po siyang incense or incense. Kamag niyan, or if you're a Catholic, ito na po lang po ng Father.
Sana lang lahat ng apoy, no? Hindi pollution.
Okay po, so that's all para sa ating
Ay, ayun, amoy yun.
Nawala ning apoy
Pero
eh.
amoy, mint.
Information kung paano po nagsimula ang lahat. Patapatan na po. Back in the garden kapag mahilig kayo sa kape. We also have the Civet Coffee, the best coffee in town po. Pwede kayo mag-try and purchase. And Master,
Alam mo bakit marami kang bad spirits?
Don't hesitate po to ask them. They can Tagalog. Nag-aaral po yung They go to school po yan, Master. We can take picture na po sa ating tribe and meron silang pet snake. Ilan kayo sa grupo niyo, ma'am?
Guys, mag-picture kami with them. Bye! Babalik mo. Hello! Tingnan nyo, guys. Magsakor? Magsakor?
Magsakor?
Ano yun?
Magsakor?
Ang ganda video. Ano ba?
Oh, take daw, Kob. Sa ulo ka, Kob.
Wow!
Touch lang.
Oh, open na.
Touch lang.
Touch lang. Dito tayo na. Dito pala yung skin niya.
Picturean daw dito kayo.
Dito lang tayo. Uy, dito. That's why you wanna dito sa...
Ano? Gusto mo ikaw lang?
Jacob, did you touch it? No. Ha? Gusto mo ba?
Gusto mo lang dalawa lang? Kahit dalawa.
Ay, hindi na po.
Ay, hindi daw pwede. Group lang. Guys, pwede kayong hulog ng donation na dyan. Okay. After ng picture taking. Yan. Ang dadi ko naghuhulog. Yan. So, let's go guys. Ikutin na natin ang garden. Kasi hindi tayo nakaikot sa garden.
Pwede na.
Tapang yan eh. Guys, tingin tayo ng souvenirs. Guys, yung mga souvenir nila. Mga bracelet and pintas and good. Wow.
That's handmade.
Pili kami. Libra, Gemini, and Scorpio.
Yun yung binili na
Tignan mo yung kanya guys. Ang ganda. Scorpio kasi.
Thank you.
Toxic.
Soko.
Kanya akin. Maliit lang. Wow. I'm happy. Buti na namin ang garden. Oh, sarap ng hangin.